3, 2, 1, action.
Sanibonani bafethu lapha emakhaya once again bafethu. Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show, it's in the house. Yeah, guys, I know. Right now, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. But yeah, I must admit, honestly, I've been waiting for ukuthi sihlangane mina nani sizokhona ukuthi sidingide kabanzi nodaba lwepoko nama-paranormal activities, into ezi-weird, yabo, azikho weird, zi-weird, nangithola bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, once again, we just like to extend bafethu, as we always do, a hand of appreciation bafethu. We do bafethu. Soweto Podcast is doing extremely well, and it is all because of you. You know, mangvala estradini bafethu, hey, si weird ne. Uya umuntu ajabulela isipoko uthi ngishange addiction yakubukela ipoko. I mean, we read your comments, guys, and we're like, yo, bafethu, serious. She hasn't won ngazathi sengi-weird na myself. Yeah, no, si weird sonke bafethu. But other than that, we really would like to say thank you so much, guys, for the support. Keep on supporting us, bafethu. We're growing very, very, very mightily in a very short space of time, bafethu. We thank you. We are international now as we speak to you. I always tell you, Dubai, we're there, bafethu, Mumbai, we're there, in China, we're there. Honestly speaking, we're not kidding with you right now. In most of the countries, we're there. So it's about time that we'll be running this show in all dimensional languages bafethu. Sifike singene sihlathulule record sende lento esithumela bafethu. Ngawari mina, just watch the space. One time so besihleli neChina, still ina yonke inhlobo umuntu azositshela ngesipoko, izinto eziweird, yabona bafethu. So other than that, bafethu, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button bafethu, share our stories, let us know what you think, let us grow together bafethu. Yazithanda ikasi lakho, uthanda nomakhelwane njengoba nawe uzithanda bafethu. Siphathe bitsene sport nyanqanya bafethu, don't you go no. Hot manam? Uzet. Okay, otherwise. Sure. Go fella. Yeah. Hot manam. Usivakashele today?
Yeah, sure.
Ukhona udaba usiphathele lona?
Sure.
Okay, manam, before we go any further, ngicela usazise ukuthi wena abantu mabakwazi, can I just say this quickly?
Sure.
So famous. Just by you sitting here next to me, yeah, uzobona na izinto zomatches ngenye indlela.
Yeah, sure.
Ngicela ukhume nabo khona manam, batshela ukuthi ubani, uphuma kuphi, ukhule kanjani, ukhulene nabo bani?
Okay, mina igama lami nguPhumlani Mbonani sejwabulane. Mara ngokuhlala ngihlala eDobsonville. Yeah, ngikhule namageng ami, yabo Vreka, bomsayi, yabo ne-family obvious. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, manam, ukhona umntana njani nje when you're growing up?
Yazi mina mangikhole umntana ostodi mfethu. Yeah, umntana ostodi, yabo umntana ostodi nje. Yabona sesikhela nje ngibhanka ethola nje ngothami nje ngithi izibhayo nje.
Yeah.
Yabo, yeah, so uyazi mfethu.
Yeah. And then ekhaya umntana singaki?
Ngos2.
Ngos2
ekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah,
in the middle.
Yeah, insize nje ngithola.
Oh, makes sense. But no, thank you for coming through. Really appreciate you. Good to see you.
Sure.
Yeah, no, it is banging, especially with all the millions of viewers. They are waiting to hear your story. Yeah, no, they are eagerly waiting. But uzenenye. Ngicela sibangene hot madam. Sure.
Mina tell me, shuthi okay sharp. Sisitela abantu vaya ezinye into kufela nje zamafodlela, you understand, okay. So manje one time alikho please. Yabo, ayilangithuma mfethu ifanele ngikayigedlela nyana protein ngilihafela mfethu, you understand, hayi ngiblomo la yablonyo mfethu ngithola. Ayi late mangibuya futhi yazi ngibuya kanjani, ngibuya from a protein ngizojumpa lapha ebridgeini ngena enaledi, yabo le bridge la kuva khona igalo ngaphansi.
Oh yes, yeah.
Kunefeket nyana la ngishika ngithi ayi nangu nomunye umuntu lapha mfethu umazi kanjani, you understand. Ayisister ubusuku kanjena mfethu sikhiphana uyapi.
Wait, Hotman, this is one? Last year before last?
Ayi mfethu dade ngiyazenzeka nini mfethu
2013.
Yeah, into yakudala nyana yabona mfethu. Uyangithola ayi ukuthi ukhipha ikedlela nyana uyazi nami ngisemaplakeni mfethu. Yeah.
Okay.
Sister company.
Yeah, sure.
Bemplomela abangani bami lana yini ngithola so sebangishiyile wathi wena uyapi manje? yabona hayi ngifuna nje ilift inyana mfethu hayi asahambe mfethu uyangunderstand uyazi mfethu
inkiba abobazikhathi
211
211 okay cool
hayi angena usistiri mfethu hayi scruise nyana ngiyambona manje usistiri ukuthi awu relaxed anasendlini sure kajahanga lo muntu mfethu
Yeah.
ukuthi mina ngibambele thunyana wale ngisabe kuploma va athi uploma eRockville
Yeah, sure.
shekelele nosistiri mfethu hayi scruise ngena phana vele ngibhaya ngibuye ngimthola sekarini vele angena indaba ziyahamba mfethu wena nginakanga ngithola hayi scruise nosistiri sikhene ngikhenza ngithola mfethu scruise hayi nengonde ukuthi ngiplome naye mhlawumbe singene lonjaneni orini hayi next kumnandi nje la emotweni sithu mfethu siyacruise nje mfethu hayi siyacruisela mfethu lokho yabona la Thokoza Park athi hayi nasafuna ukuvaya mara manje sipake eThokoza Park masipaka la nginokuva angikhombise linye idladla la edladla kuda you understand how dlale kuda isipake ayisiplome lokho mhlawumbe ngabo past 4 athi uya cross solo siplomile mfethu you understand athi hayi uya cross mfethu manje sister ngizokubona nini yangithola hayi wena anytime ufuna ukungibona mara mina ngumuntu walate yangithola cause mina ngisesipanini yangithola into efana nalezo manje utholakala kanjani phela sinyana next hayi phone lahlekile wathi abe nje nedori nyana nginaki mina mfethu yabo hayi lo muntu lo mara muhle lokele mfethu you understand nangilokele vela botela nginaki vele nami ngiyambona vele ngathi kulela dlala angishaya ikaring vale mfethu yabo sengiyamfuna manje lokele ngithola sengiyamfuna lokele mfethu umuntu wasebusuku yena sengifike ngime lapha ngibheke mfethu ngithola lokela kaveli mfethu ngithola ngize ngithina yazi ngona ngiyela kulela dlala one day nje ngingene lapha ngeke baze bangibulale man
la khombe khona
yeah cause le nkulumo bese ngakhona man njengoba sicruiser kanje bese imnandi mfethu ngize ngiyopaka vele ungibonisa uyangithola mfethu Tantai mwana i-wrong turn i-wrong turn lento lokuthi wrong turn ngithola kanjani ngiqunga isibindi nyara mfethu yabo ngiyabangena la sambona njani umuntu kanje mina ngifuna umuntu okanje ayida bangibheke kulela dlala yabo bangibheke kulela dlala bathi hayi mfethu wena asumuntu okuqala ukuza yini uzosho la yini or uzobuza ngalo muntu lo kwenzakale sona ngalo muntu ngithola wabhoda lo muntu we-accident umthole endaweni kanje angithi how mfethu uyazi umuntu lo mfethu nokuthi ngimbambe yabona like ngicela ngithi ngiyamsondela relax don't rush uyangithola leyo chance leyo nginayo azange ngize ngiyithola uyangithola leyo ukuthi inkulumo bese ingakhona mfethu leyo chance azange ngize ngiyithola ukuthi ngimbambo ringenzeni you understand mfethu and fethu angiseyintweni nyana mfethu ngimnandi ngiyesicruise next mfethu kanti hayi ngithole wrong turn and ngithuthi bheka mfethu lento leyo bahlale baqoqela wena kudala kumkhulu ngithole ukuthi kuno yini virus makeup yabo lezo zinto lezo sakudala nje virus makeup mfethu thina sasibona la izinto ezifana nalezo mfethu.
This was in 2013.
Azange vele ngibe grand isikhathinyana mfethu ngithola angidisturb nje la ile mfethu like angidisturb after ngiceda ukuzwa la ile ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngaloya muntu ngithola ukuthi ngaze ngibe nomuntu okanje like into enjani leyo you understand very strange.
Hold on, can I ask you this quickly? Now, in most cases, probably in your understanding, or maybe after meeting a situation as so, do you become normal, or does it have some form of implication and like can you confirm what you is spoken?
Yeah, after ngiceda la.
Ukuthi ubhodile lo.
Yeah. So ukuthi ngimthinte kanje in flash angikhumbuli. Yabo, like ingqondo yabona
absent to
reality, you understand?
Does it have an effect emntwini mawuke waba ne-encounter nespoke?
Yeah.
If you know.
Ngisho ukuthi after that zange ngibe 100%. Yangithola. ngibe mnandi because of mangiyicabanga la idea ngishock mfethu yabona shock. And I think after lapho namazange ngizwe ngilandelele ngendaba ukuthi ngifuna usizo or something yabona. Fana nasebusuku ebusuku kunzima ukuthi ngihambe la ngo 12:01 yeah. Yabona.
Hang on, Hotman. Let us go into it kancane if maybe you might have some information or knowledge ngayo that day. Kusho ukuthi nami ngiba nalo mbuzo loyo ukuthi if one has to encounter into ekuthiwa yisipogo, does your life become normal not just nje ukuthi you fell in love ne perception yalento lobuthi umuntu? Does it have serious implication in terms of spirituality, your well-being, mental-wise? You know, okay, let's leave the physical part. You might still be intact physically. But it will go to mentally, then it starts to affect your reasoning. It starts to affect you like drastically, seriously in terms of your progress, your outlook, empilweni, and then spiritual life, it starts to affect you. Maybe amaphupho nazo zonke lezi zinto lezo. I'm trying to find out on my side ukuthi truly and honestly does it really affect to your point ukuthi ayabona manje sika hayi ukuthi ngizothi bengise ngifile ukuthi ngiyamncane lo sister like after meeting that it ghost in affectile to say it ruined my life. Do you think it has that type of implication empilweni yomuntu, or in your case perhaps maybe if CCC tata more closer?
Mina yazi ngathini ingaya nangobu strong bakho you understand. Yeah, nawe ukuthi lento uhlala uyicabanga or kanjani you understand. Okay, iyafika yona ngaleso sikhathi mara ukuthi uhlale ufocus kuyo njalo izokukhawatha vele you understand. Yeah, izokukhawatha. Okay, inokufika mayifikile ngiludile na ngaleso sikhathi leso. Ndayi ukuthi ifika namhlanje phela namhlanje uzoyicabanga lento uthi ukuthi kwenzeka into eso yebo into efana nale kwenzeka into eso kwenzeka into eso yabo besiphinde iphele futhi mara uma uhlala ucabanga lento le kulezo kukhawatha khona even mental because focus kuyo kakhulu khohlwa izinto zakho kumele uzenze maybe you understand. Yona iyathusa baba iyathusa because sometimes uthi mawuze sound yabona uthi ayi mhlawumbe sengilandelwa isinye isipogo uthi you understand mhlawumbe sengilandelwa isinye isipogo you understand ezifana nalezo. So yona ikhona nje effect nyane yenzayo yabo. Mina ayide ngangikholwa namanje mfethu ngikholwa angikholwa la ile angikholwa like angikholwa
till today
nandana namhlanje angikholwa.
Okay, Hotman, can you just take it this way? After you had an encounter nespogo, mawubheka impilo yakho in terms of progress yakhe living slow.
Yeah, angazori yiyo
ethathe something from you.
Yabona slow ayisahambi njengasekuqaleni before you understand.
Really?
Yeah, angazori yini mhlambe sengithukile or you understand but journey slow ayisafani na before.
And then mental wise, do you still used to be the way you were before you encounter isipogo? To know you have a positive outlook, you are strong, you're going strong in your life, izinto like bophokopela empilweni, or after and then when mentally you started to or like I'm just trying to figure out ukuthi my caliber slow, are you still persisting to fight and achieve whatever into we refer as a success kuwe, but mawuthi abheka uthola ukuthi ayisika mfethu angakashintshi ngokomqondo nangokwenza kwezinto yabona. But since after ngiyayibona umehlo ukuthi yenzeke right in this part after this thing, noma ngithi ngilwa bengilwa ngakhona ngumuntu olala for 3 hours, the rest I'm awake ngenza into zami ngishazi ziphelele yabona. Mara since after, even if I do ngenza lento la I used to do, the system yami leyo ngakhona, but after this thing ngibone nje outward from my abilities kube nalento le ifike yavala yadonsa izinto. Is it the same thing or nje?
Yeah, I think mfethu you understand. I think njengoba ngisho ukuthi after izinto zezaba slow angazori yimi or yiyo lento ifike you understand, but nje azange samove izinto the way besimove ngakhona yazange kuyahlangana into yakupressa la kupressa kusanokupressa kuze kushona ibutton phansi you understand. Yeah, so izinto esifana nalezo. So sometimes uyahamba uyemntwini umuntu hayi kwenzeka into kanje kumele wenze so uyangithola kumele wenze so uyazi kumele uhambe uyogeza kumele wenze nemali abayifunayo mfethu mawujabheke ezinye imali ezibizayo mfethu, you understand. Yeah, so wish that's why ngithi mhlawumbe ezinye izinto mhlawumbe kuyima mhlawumbe leyo nto kumele ngiyenza lesikhathi leso ukuthi sibone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, yabona. Cause umuntu mawumtshela lento hayi uhambe emntwini yokuza ukuthi ikhambani, you understand. Obvious yazula mfethu check ukuthi ikhambani, ukutshela ukuthi hayi mawuyenzeka into so kumele wenze into so.
And then ubona umehluko ukuthi is there truly a way forward after
Ikhona,
wenzeni.
alright.
So bosoyitshonela Hotman Mdlade, maybe what you've been advised to do or besides the money factor ukuthi
Okay kancane, you understand, ukuzama ukucheck ukwenzakaleni, you understand lezo zinto lezo ezifana nalezo, but sibuyele endaweni eyi-one futhi ukuthi kumele kenziwe leya, yabona.
So, okay, Hotman, from where you used to be and where you are now, in terms of maybe a scale of 10, 1 to 10, check your progress yako and what you're supposed to have achieved from then until now. How would you rate yourself? And what do you think now you need to do with the eyes and see fit? I think ngihleli kule ntaba lesikhathi eside mfana kithi it's either ngiyakumashonisa or ngiyabank
Ngiyayenza le
20 hour leli ngiyenza idlu or maybe kuba indaba ukuthi ayisikangani mfethu ikhona lento, but mental wise I think namele ngizama ukuzi-empower ngenye indlela ukuthi from now on what I need to do mele ngizibambe isiqine, or you know deep down ukuthi sika no matter what I do ana hadebe ngiyayifanele ngichashaza leli limile and liye stumbling block empilweni yami. If you had to weigh your progress on that regards ongathini Hotman, from a scale of 1 to 10 ukuthi if you had to check from after 2013 and then now, are you stagnant or maybe you've made one step forward or two step forward and then mayifika kule part lena sika 9 things stop mfana and emele noma anka noma 40 tawa ntwana yami nyovela lapha espeedini vele senze ske what is your progress in terms of
7
7?
yabo ushoda kancane
Kumele ulungise dieting
yiyo nje kumele after lapha, yabo. And vele noma bakutshela sikhe asikho mhlawumbe umuntu akayikholwa la ukuthi hayi into abayikhulumayo ayikho labantu lapho, mara wena mohlala phansi uyibheke uyabona ukuthi hayi man nayo into edonsayo man lento levele, you understand, nayo into edonsayo lento le. Cause konke ku right mara makumele kenzeke izinto akuvele ukuthi ngithola kumele sidlule lapha kahle. Yabo, so uyamlanda kumashonisa uyayenza lento bese ziyavuleka ke izinto, yabona. Nakhona futhi kumele vele kuhlale yenziwa leyo nto leyo ngikushuthi.
Kumele kuhlale kwenza lento le ezinye kusi once off and then bese kuba amen.
Azipheli lezi zinto lezi mfethu. Cause I don't think ukuthi ngashaya ispan ngayo bese kuphelile.
Manje ubekele enye iphuzu ke yazi.
You understand. Should you be kube into kanjalo ke manje kube into
Renew
ukuthi hayi ayihambe lento ayihambe umlibe.
Kusho ukuthi akusinto ezophila nje ngasuku lunye uwenze bese kuyaphela. Maybe kuyehla nje just a little bit of layer yokuqala iphume kusasele ezinye manje.
Yabona.
You mentioning a very interesting point wena Hotman ukuthi no hadebe ezinye izinto uthola ukuthi man bekuyile sinamba yesipoko lesiya sinezinye izinto ezinswembu, yabona. Okay Hotman, let me ask you this via ngokuya ngawe, for you to see it ghost, what did that mean to you? How did you look at yourself afterwards ukuthi eish probably that was your first time bowulahlile or mawubhekile according to you ukuthi ayihadebe mfethu I felt ngazathi nje yazi maybe ngibe nebhadi nga-attract into or vele into eblomara emele noma uba ibingayenzeka noma kuba
okay sharp, since nada bathi vele lento ayiqali kwenzeka shuthi yenzeka randomly, you understand. Mina into ngasitshela ngazibuza yona i-one ukuthi yibhadi or inhlanhla na lento le enzakalayo, yibhadi or inhlanhla na, bese ubheka iprogress, yabo. Inobhadi phakathi, you understand. Inobhadi phakathi because ibani izinto shuthi ngathi into nje kunamathele noma yasuka okay yaphuma yahamba yanyamalala khona mara kuba ngathi nje into ethanda kunamathele nje. because if beyize ngento enhle ngaba mhlawumbe ayikho le nto le ngabe ku-right kusoloko nje kuchubeka ngabe ku-right from la le nto aqala khona ngiyangithola.
So in a way it's something engazathi uzothi negative because now since ubheka uyabona ukuthi ayilethanga into egrand ilethe nje into ukuthi it's slowing you down. You know, I'm asking you this question, Khotman. I'm asking it for a reason. Now, when you listen to inkulumo zabafethu, umuntu akutshela ukuthi no hade bakusi wonke umuntu ozobona isibongo. Abanye bayithatha njengesiphiwo. Ingako ngibuza ngithi esayidini lakho when you do an introspection of what you experienced, would you say ukuthi isiphiwo or would you say ukuthi I had listen to me when I tell you akunasiphiwo sa-next that abe nginebhadi ngaleso sikhathi ngalowo mzuzu loyo I was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Enze ngisho ukuthi ngayibuza ama-question ayi-2 angithi
Yes.
ukuthi ibhadi or inhlanhla kodwa ngaya kuyiphi kuleyo ukuthi ibhadi zange kube isibusiso ngoba kube kwakuyisibusiso
Ngabo grand.
ngabe ngigrand but ukuthi ngoba yibhadi azange kuhlangane bastaka izinto hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe njengoba ngisho ukuthi angazi or yimi or yilento or like confusion nje phakathi lapho you understand ukuthi kwenzakalani uzibuza la ma-question ayi-2 ibhadi or yini lento le because if bese ngento enhle mfethu ngabe
Usabuyela yeah. Ngabe uyifune waze wayithola via I can imagine ukuthi hayi into egrand sika ngiyaya la enhle sekuyishare immediately
sengiphila nayo lady you understand sengiphila nayo lady ngiyazi ebusuku angilali ngihamba nomuntu hayi la ngo-4 uyabona
and so yazi ukuthi hayi into esejumpa singabo-4 siyahlukana emini ngiyazi hayi case closed.
Mina akekho nayo sesibhadini ukwenza izinto zami iyaphanda mfethu you understand so ayi.
Khotman, did you do probably some background check about IPOG and understanding how do they live and how do they behave zonke le nto lezo? Have you done maybe into enjengaleyo?
Yeah, ngayenza baba.
What did you discover?
Ayi njengoba usho nawe uyangithola ukuthi ibhoko mfethu ziza sometimes ezinye inhlanhla uma uyibonile mhlawumbe uthiwa uyothwasa uyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe ubona isibhoko in yabo into esifana nalezo mhlawumbe bakhuluma izinto eziningi abantu mfethu yabo mina I'm not deep into those things you understand yeah so angilandeleli kakhulu andidlalelesi into iyangihlupha ngizovela ngitazini ukuthi ngingene kuyo into ngicheck understand ukuthi ikhambani so bakhuluma nje izinto eziningi mfethu ngebhoko ayi uyabona tshela lokho akutshele lokho hayi in yabo so anyeke wazi
Which is
which you understand because lo khuluma lokho mara mawuthi ubheka impilo yakho lezi zinto abazikhuluma yazikho azihlangani nalezinto abazikhulumayo impilo yakho ni ishone phansi after qedwe kwenzeka le nto leya yabona maybe nabantu obvious khona abantu angeke basakubheka ngalendlela ababekubheka ngayo na before mhlawumbe because lento nakhe kunamathele ngiyi understand efana nalezo because awazi unamathele uyini izinto azihlangana uzibuza izinto ezibhaya mfethu yabo aswa nje la ile ibuhlungu iyabheda yabo iyabheda into yazalabi yabo into ezikanje azivamisanga ukubonwa azibonwa mfethu yabo noma ubona into kanjani ngeke uze kube inhlanhla mfethu uzoba inhlanhla kanjani okay mina ngiyamuza ke kuwe kusiphi uzoba inhlanhla kanjani mfethu
ukuthi into ekungameli bo
yeah yabo.
Khotman, let's take it even further now. Right after that day, amaphupho akho kusale kube njani? Did you see any changes in your dreams as well?
Yabona la ngeke ngize ngithi ngichange it or yini soloku nje
Uyifana.
yeah amaphupho different uyazi saso se Shoprite nengise Pick n Pay lezo
Usebox useCambridge uyaround lapha wazi kwenzakala. Eshankhawathi manje uphupho useShoprite checker sekhuzana eCambridge uyaround lapha uzwinka ngalama gate asePick n Pay naseShoprite. No, Khotman, you know, honestly, with all sense of to try to discover ukuthi ngempela iy'poko. Truly, it's not something that we should be living with them or we're supposed to be having interaction nazo. Because right after that, you must do a serious and a thorough introspection of your life. Something must go down.
Yeah.
Or something negative must give because of that. Because why singahlali nazo normally sishade nazo siphile nazo uma ngabe, if this is my question as well on Khotman, ukuthi ngempela uma ngabe kumele siphile nazo into engabona thina sisenyameni sibona, you know, once you have, because I mean, trust me, when somebody says athi kumina isiphiwo ne, and then okay, I understand it's a gift according to how you understand it to be. Now, is pure in which sense? And then you look at the lifestyle. Yabona, umuntu othi uphila nesiphiwo sokubona ipho. How is the life then afterwards? Or empilweni yakho ukuthi no, mina sika, I probably in a month I could see like 3 types of different ghosts and I interact with them very well and my life is still the same, still intact, it's still moving forward, I'm succeeding, I'm prospering, there's no changes. Now I can assure you, you are 1 in a million or 2 or 3 in a million that will tell us something like that. Hence, the more we find out what kind of implication do ghosts have in our lives, so that when one interacts in a spore, you must know good right there and after you need to seek for usizo. Or you must consider yourself lucky, but look at your life. After an encounter in a spore, rest assured you must see changes and they must be negative.
Sure.
I understand. As you rightfully put it, in your case, nothing good came afterwards. You saw the negative with impilo, no matter how much I fight, I'm a fight impilo and I'll tell me, ngiyagura proam. Ngilala for 3-4 hours, ngi politician, marizinto zistega mas figure. I understand. Problem makaya, there's some people might have even a thorough information or understanding to say siga no guti si tata in a negative light because we've been taught to understand what ghosts are negative spirits, bad things. But once we shift our mind into a different perspective, would know actually ghosts are good things. We can live with them. Spile nabo si shade spuziti now. You know.
Mina into engayisho le. Ubona mose ubuntu efana nale. Kusuka ngasenhlanje sokuvakasho lo sathane baba.
Khotman
mfethu. Usuvakasho lo sathane qobo lwakhe mfethu. Yabona bese kuphuma kuwe ukuthi le nto leya uyayithatha na mhlambe or uyayigaba.
No, Khotman, you can't say that. I mean, thina sithi sinenhlanhla ndisiphiwa. Are you saying sinesiphiwo sokuvakashela usathane?
Okay, ngicela ukubuza something ke mina mfethu ne. Why after ukubona le nto leya mangabe unesiphiwo sokubona le nto leya? Why after ukubona le nto leya bad empilweni? Izinto ukhona mhlawumbe umuntu mhlawumbe wezwa ngaye mhlawumbe kudala ukuthi wabona isibhoko into zakhe zaba right. Awubi normal mfethu. Ayikho into ezohlangana ubone le nto leya mfethu. Ayikho into ezohlangana.
Sure.
Yeah, ayikho into ezohlangana. And uzomele usize wena futhi njengoba ngisho, you understand? Kumele usize wena njengoba ngisho. Umlandelene mfethu indaba zokugeza zokwenza into ezifana naleyo. Yabona.
So are you saying we're eluding ourselves masithes in isiphiwo inhlanhla integran?
Ay mina ngazi sihlahla ebona ipoko yiyo le yithi usukuvakashela usathana ngoba ngabe baningi abantu abanaleyo nto leyo. Ngabe baningi abantu abanento mina ngihlale ngisibona isipoko hayi. Nazo ngisibonile yabo nazo ngisibonile namanje sidlulile uyathu into efana naleyo. Namanje nasi lapha ya uyanganda into efana naleyo ngithi uyazibona yena. Namanje nasi asiblomile lapha.
Bafethu. Yeah, I thought nami le bekindaba yalo ukuthi ukuthi ade bungeswa abantu. I mean, let's agree to disagree, Bafethu. Ukuthi lapha emakhaya probably might have a different view ngalento le what Khotman is saying ukuthi hayi sika ikhotman la ayikho lento akazi next ngeyibhoko thina siphila nazo promise gawula nazo shaya spike sisebenza nazo sirenka nazo siyanyuka nazo impilo yethu imtsapapa simatse best ilokishi limnandi mfethu ngiseroom 8 lapha hostel siphila wafethu one ngimthrowile ngizomletha esitwini so
Yo.
Abethi Hotman manaume kancane. So you're saying ayikho lento yokuthi uzothi this thing it's a gift and it's a positive thing in one's life.
Hayi. Bekuzosho mina mfethu ngikutshela ukuthi hami noma uqeda ukubona isipoka. Yabona? Namanje mhlawumbe kube ngihamba ngesilwane mfethu yabona? So yabona mfethu. Kuyale.
There's no such.
Hayi. Or kushitha mhlawumbe sami seza ngebhadi. Uyabona into efana nale. Azange size ngento eright.
Ziyahluka khona
ezinenhlanhla yabona. Khona nephiwo zokubona abanye abantu yabona abantu banephiwo zokubona zona into efana naleyo, you understand? So futhi sama hayi seza nge-wrong turn.
Yo, bafethu ngicela nisazise lapha emakhaya or lapha eSpanien yazi idatha yabelungu siphezulu kwa bafethu hayi no rabakena rabathatha mkina kya dipoko no kiso to podcast wa tseba ke retsa jong. Yeah, please let us know guys if you truly feel different ukuthi Hotman amente ekhuluma mina nginesipoke sintswembu esi ATM sees enhlexi apps Standard Bank Capitec sihlangene ngiyenza kakhulu ngifuna wena Sister Magogo Putwame, if you feel that you contradict what my Hotman is saying, please do come through and tell us a different perspective of your story. Ngiyanselele emuva bafethu kumele bomlungu mawudatha. Ungacabangi njengestakhi, ucabanga isingamna. I-ghost into yabelungu ndifuna ukuthi uyithathe isilungu, manje niyithathe istakhi. Bafethu hayi no, siyahleka mara maybe iy'poko sizithatha isindaka ukuthi negative. Maybe wathatha izingam you can live. Like Sipho, you just need to open up your mind. There's something good out of ghost, you know? You can do something. Angazi. It's sengiyabekisa mina nguhade angazi angifisi nokusibona.
Stop it.
No. I'm being dead serious with you. Angifisi nokusibona angikhulumi kabi uhade lokukhuluma angifisi ukubona sipoko. Yeah, I understand. Nalazi khona bafethu maluthu umthimba khulupungani mashiya mahluthi hlalani lani khona nina nephiwe ezenu uhateba kanilisi bafethu umncane fucked up ure mara ukuthi ngizothi lina kisibone mfethu nesimchazitse ejwanga
Manje
kibatile kisimpempeshe ayi no ngigrand mfana kubathi umpempeshe la sikuko
chaza ukuthi nami njengoba ngisibonile nginesiphiwo.
That's what I was asking you. Ukuthi you need to confirm to me
Manje
ukuthi
okay Charles njengoba ngibuza layileke ne if bokuyisiphiwo angicabanga ukuthi bokuzoba into blind. You understand?
Hotman lithanda kuba nzima. Why I say this because I've seen so many people that are so convicted in their whole being. When they see ghosts, to them it is a gift. Probably not understanding them, what do you mean when you say it's a gift and in which sense of a gift? In a negative or positive, and what does a gift mean to you and what does a gift mean to me?
Okay, after ukuzibona mina okay sharp angithi nami ngisibonile but ayikho into efikile enhle oranjani. Yabona? But nje distract izinto ezibhaya layini, you understand? It-distract izinto ezibhaya layini so ayikho into enhle ezenayo. Yabo.
Bafethu Hotman is talking from a personal experience. Ukuthi labathi babone i-gift, you know, hence I'm still saying I'm still on the issue of what do we say it's a gift, how do you refer into multi-gift, what exactly do you mean?
Isipho.
Isipho. Yeah. Good. To you, when you say isipho, what do you mean? Esinjani futhi. Understand? Because it can be negative. When you use that negative to be positive, it can be positive and use it for negativity. So it differs. You know, yonke into sibona ngokufana and it has a same meaning to all of us. You understand? Like for instance, if I can ask you, what does normal mean? Normality can mean something different to both you and I. You understand? If I can ask like now, Hotman, if I say to you, give me a definition of normal, what does normal to you? You'll first think, normal. Normal probably do the same. And the answer that therefore comes out of it will be totally different to say, as in Hateb. Man, normally, ngathini bro, yazi noma yini. Ngiyangithola.
Sure.
Because it gives a different definition ukuthi into normal, and then the question thereafter ukuthi lento, the answer that you've given me, how do you know ukuthi it's supposed to be that? If you say normal, it's a day-to-day activity, right? You understand? Ekumele siyenze. And then what is the ekungamele siyenze wrong? I don't know if I'm making sense.
Sure.
I'm just trying to come with the indlela ukubona izinto ukuthi we see things so different in a sense ukuthi if uthi lento like mina Hatebe lesi isiphiwo, abantu need to learn to see isiphiwo in this manner, and then it will work for them.
Yes.
But once they put it in the negative light, it will bring something negative. But once you put it in a positive light, mina ngisibonile isiphoko, and then my life became better, or it was different and became more even brighter and brighter.
Njengeziphi izikweletu obazifana?
Iziphi
Esihle, khona esibi.
Yes.
Eh.
Yes.
So mhlawumbe isipho sakho ungasibona kanti ubona isipho esibi. Ngidibona into efana nale.
Yeah.
Isipho kona ukuyibona.
Yes.
Kanti ubone into embi. So kimi mhlawumbe leyo nto leyo into nje ayidlula. Because ngizoyibona ukuthi ayinto ngathi nginesipho sokuyibona into leyo. Hayi lesipho lesi ayi isipoko lesi bengizoyibona ngathi nginesipho. Isipoko lesi ayingidlule ayingidlule ngihambe.
And I believe, as you're saying, Khotman, you fell for it. You almost fell in love, or you fell in love.
Emotion nje like motion, you know, understand. So angeke ngithi
You fell in love.
yeah, but
completely.
nje sokumnandi mfethu yabona.
You connected.
Yeah.
Ngemuhle ngaleso sikhathi.
Heze ngabuyela ngathi ngiyibheke that connection and ngiconnecta nomoya. Yabona. Sorry mhlawumbe usho kanjalo.
No, it is what it is, Khotman. We can't be apologetic for
Phela
your
mhlawumbe
thing.
bakhona abantu abazithanda ibhoko, mhlawumbe ngiyaba offend sorry. Yabo.
Yeah. Buffett, no, Khotman, what I like is that personal experience. You know, so we can't judge abantu ngenxa yokuthi yena into yakhe ayibonile ayizwile ayenzile enzakele kuwe, and then say sipho uyahlanya akahlanya. No, come on guys. Kusiwonke umuntu ohle mangabe ngithanda ibhoka, I must love them for myself. If you criticize ibhoka, I must feel good mina personally. I'm strong enough to say, look, I'll show you a different perspective. The reason why I love Amakosti so. If I contradict, it does not mean ukuthi ngiyaliwa. You know what I mean? It's just that you have a different perspective from mine. I understand. So yonke into ibalance ngani ngiyathona ukuthi from where I'm standing, this is my personal view. I say umbedo. If you say they work for you, so let it be. So bafethu, what out we here to find umuntu ozositshela kabanzi Khotman, you know, about isipoko and the impact enazo empilweni zethu. More especially, are we supposed to live with the ghost on a day-to-day basis? If not, why not? Are they good? Are they bad? Buffett lapha emakhaya siyabonga. Sipho whatever. So to podcast, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let us know, Buffett, ukuthi, what do you think about the Khotman story sakhe? You know, uthathekile ivetepete nisithi yellow bone. Kanti hayi son wathola ukuthi wrong turn. Yabo, embambile since ablomena ngaboma 11 I think ngaboma 4. Simphethe. Siloku simbambe ngesicwecwe. Sithi awungajahi. Sizobuya kule nto yafuna. What do you think, Buffett? Let us know. Khotman, did they dupe him? Been duped by a ghost? Siphila nabathi hayi wonke umuntu ephathini is normal. Or ukre. Stava nazo. Sister. Can die. Say Buffett. So to podcast part of the show you bye Buffett. Khotman. Out. Cut. You know.